It's beginning to get chilly, so let's make chili. Turkey chili. Welcome back to the Crack Mug. That's what's on the menu today, a delicious turkey chili. It has red kidney beans, chopped tomatoes, onion, celery. It is served with some sour cream, little cheddar cheese. There is jalapeno in it, just the one, which is really rather mild, but you can up the heat if you want to. You can throw this together in about an hour. It's great that evening, but it's even better the next day. So come on, let's get in that kitchen. Start with 2 pounds here, about 900 grams of turkey meat. This I believe is a mix of both the breast and the thigh. 2 cups of coarsely chopped onions. I'm using up an old red one and a white one here. Here I have 1 cup of chopped celery, 1 large red bell pepper, deveined and coarsely chopped, 2 15-ounce cans of red kidney beans, 3 cups of canned diced tomatoes, 2 bay leaves, 1 jalapeno finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of fresh oregano, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 3 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1 cup of chicken stock, salt and pepper. Alright, in a large pot over a medium-high heat, add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. When it's hot, add your turkey. Turkey tends to stick together more than beef, so we have to continue to break it up as we lightly brown this. This will take about 5 to 8 minutes. So I just chopped away at it with a tri-turner, and it really helps to break up the meat as it cooks. That has been exactly 5 minutes. I am going to take this off the heat and set the meat aside. Heat off in the same pot, which I haven't cleaned. Add a tablespoon of olive oil. For medium heat, add your onion, celery, red bell pepper, leaves, and oregano. We'll add our jalapeno. This has been deveined and deseeded. You can increase the amount of jalapeno depending on your heat level. This will be pretty mild. Stir these to coat. Love that color. We are going to stir and saute these for about 5 minutes. So that has been exactly 7 minutes. I'm liking the look of these. My onions are becoming translucent, still holding shape, and it smells amazing. So right now we're going to add our garlic. We're just going to stir that for 1 minute. Then we're going to add our spices, cumin, and our chili powder. Let's stir this, and we're going to stir this for about 2 minutes. We want the flavor to be released from the chili powder and the cumin. Just keep stirring. I'm going to turn it down to low heat because my pot is very hot. And in moments, you will smell the chili and the cumin. It is amazing. I also have some lovely fond, the brown stuff on the side of the pot and on the bottom. We're going to get that off in just a minute. If you feel your pot is too hot or starts to smoke, go ahead and turn it off for a second. No big deal. Tons of heat here. But keep stirring. All right, that has been 2 minutes. So now I'm going to add my chicken stock, heat back onto medium, and I'm going to take my time here and clean the sides, and we'll add our tomatoes. And we will add back in our ground turkey. Just break up the turkey again. Remember to scrape the bottom of your pot with your wooden spoon just to get off any good stuff. The sides have pretty much cleaned themselves after I put the liquids in, but do pay a little attention to the bottom of the pot. We're going to bring this to a simmer and let it simmer for 15 minutes. It has been 15 minutes and it's looking wonderful. I am going to add a little dark chocolate. This is about 9 grams, so that will be 0.4 ounces. It helps to give it some depth. At this point also, you could use instead a little instant coffee powder granules, maybe a half to 1 teaspoon. Stir the chocolate in and let's add our kidney beans. This is a beautiful, thick, meaty chili. We're going to bring this back to a simmer and let it simmer gently for 10 minutes. The 10 minutes are up. It is looking beautiful and thick. This is the time to do a final taste test. I'm just going to turn it off. It's hot. This is also the time we will fish out our bay leaves. So I have 1.5. There is the other half. Okay, let's do this. Ooh. Okay, now you would adjust it for more salt and pepper to your liking. I actually don't think it needs anything else. No, it's just right. Okay, I'm to get the trimmings to go with this, and we're going to get it in a bowl, and I'm going to give it a try. See you in a minute. I love a simple dish that's a meal in itself. Really, a bowl and a spoon and a beer is all you need. I have put some sour cream on this, along with some freshly grated cheddar cheese, and a squeeze of lime really brightens the flavors in this. So I am dying to give this a try. Let's go. It is. It's everything you want in a chili. It's a thick, flavorful chili, though it's made with ground turkey, a healthier option. I've made this numerous times before, and I love it. I'll even admit I've made it in the summertime too, because it's very easy to reheat. It does get better with age, in fact, so tomorrow it'll be even better than it is today. It's not too spicy. There's only 1 jalapeno in there that I deseeded and deveined. You can absolutely put more into this and just kick it up a little bit to your liking. It's very adaptable. This dish can be made with ground beef or ground pork or a combination of the two. It'll work out the same way. Just brown the meat separately at the beginning and take away any extra fat. But it's nutritious, it's hearty, and it's healthy, and it's absolutely beautiful. I think you'd love it. So go ahead, get in there, make some chili. It'd be great for days. There's enough in that pot to feed 8 people, definitely 8 bowls of chili. So come on, make it. And as always, thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. So until next time, bye.